Hello and welcome to the show. Today we'll be learning a very interesting technique which is chopping. You must have seen a lot of chopping in a lot of Hollywood movies using sword. So that's this technique what we are going to learn today. The chopping is very important for attacking your enemy. But it's a tricky movement. There are a lot of hand movement, twisting in between, so that you have to master. Otherwise, you are going to injure yourself. So first, understand the holding position. Just because we are using a stick, you're not getting the real picture of the sword. So if we are holding the sword like this, it means that we have got a shield here, and see from this angle, this is the area which is blunt, and this is the area which is the hitting area, and that's the sharp area. So if you chop, and then this is the sharp area, you are trying to take the sword back to yourself, and then you are in this manner, you will hit yourself and cut your own hand. See the movement? This is the sharpest side, so you can't chop it and then bring the sword back to you, because in the motion it will cut your own hand. So what you have to do, see the movement very carefully. I'm going to show the technique very slowly. See the stepping. Right leg forward, slightly bend, 45-degree angle with the ground. Rest the sword on the upper side of your hand. This is the blunt area of the sword, and the other side is a sharp area. See my fist, the movement of my fist. I'm just moving it like this, parallel to ground. When it is just in front of my nose, I'm twisting my fist. So now the sharper area is in this position. I'm rotating it 360-degree parallel to ground, bringing back the sword to the earlier position. See, the position of this fist got changed. Again, rotate it anti-clockwise, so that this is the blunt area. Bring it in a controlled manner closer to your body, and just rest it on the other side of your hand, which is your left hand, and it should rest in the mid portion of upper hand. So in a smooth manner, so the important point here is the twisting of fist. Why it is important? Because otherwise you are going to cut yourself. And everybody knows about the utility. You can chop your opponent. You can chop at any point. Shoulder, head, trunk, leg. But be careful about your fist movement, because when you are hitting somebody with such a force, then you need to control yourself regarding the sharp area and the blunt area. Just see it once again from a different angle. Right leg forward, resting it on your right hand. The blunt side is touching your hand. Moving it like this, twisting your hand, 360-degree movement, chop, twist, in a controlled manner, bring it close to your body, which is the upper part of your left hand. So in our terminology, this is called SHIRABESHTON. Shir means head and it's a round. So it's called SHIRABESHTON. Very important move for attacking your enemy. You need to be careful about how to control the sword. Hope you like the move. It's interesting, isn't it? Thanks for watching.